In today's YouTube video, we're going to go shopping for residential cleaning supplies. Now, I do have an Amazon storefront that I will link in the description of this video, where you can also buy each and one of these products. So first off, I'm going to be grabbing this HDX brand of paper towel. Now, we use this on glass and on toilets in our clients' homes. Secondly, I'm going to be picking up some degreaser. Now, this is awesome. It's actually called Awesome, and it takes off all of the grease in the kitchen area of the home. Next up, I'm going to grab some Easy Off. Make sure you guys use a mask when spraying this stuff. And then we have our Fabuloso. Now, this Fabuloso has antibacterial, so it doesn't just smell good, you guys. We really try to stay away from using bleach products because they will ruin your uniforms. However, I am very guilty of grabbing the toilet bowl cleaner that does have a little bit of bleach in it. Now I'm grabbing some scrubbing bubbles for the showers and the toilets and the sinks, which I absolutely love. Of course, I am grabbing these Clorox toilet bowl ones. Make sure you throw these heads in the trash. Do not flush them. Now here is some Zep Tub and Tile. This stuff will really irritate your skin, so be careful. And I'm grabbing the larger bottle to refill that. Now, I hate Comet. Don't fight me, you guys, but it's just not good for your health, breathing in that stuff. And of course, my favorite glass cleaner, that is Sprayway. I also like Windex, so it's totally up to you. We always pack Dawn in our bags, but you can also buy the HDX brand if you want to save a couple of coins. This is like an all-purpose cleaner. Like literally, if you have some Dawn, you can clean anything. Swiffer Duster 6 foot is a must, okay, for those fans. And of course, buying the disposables. Now, for the stainless steel, we really like Weiman and Zep, so it's totally up to you which one you want to grab. I'm going to grab both right now because I need one for my house, and they both are equally as great. And of course, my favorite HDX trash bags. Now, these we bring with us just to throw our bags in and any added trash. Two of my favorite brushes for the bathroom are HDX brand also. And of course, my favorite mop, it has to be this regular O-Cedar mop, not that weird one that has the clean and dirty portion. I'm going to grab some extra mop heads. They can also be found on my Amazon storefront for less. And of course, I'm going to grab some microfiber rags. Now, I really like the blue and the yellow, although the yellow are much thicker. We all need magic erasers. However, your girl likes to save some coins, so we're going with the HDX brand. They work equally as good. Now, we need some gloves all the time. I don't want to see you guys cleaning houses without any gloves. I like to buy these sponges because they can scrub just about anything. SOS pads to work in the oven. And of course, a shower squeegee. Now, if you're not using a squeegee, this is really going to help you when you're done washing that shower off. And of course, I'm going to grab a bucket. Now, this bucket is just handy for just about anything. Here I am grabbing my Febreze bottles, which I love, and we are just taking a quick look at everything I have grabbed so far. Now, that is pretty much everything that you're going to need to start cleaning a home. And here is where I just put everything in a cart that I bought for you guys, just so that you can get a sense of how much this stuff would cost you. Now, there are a couple of items that I left out that I will be showing when I show you what's in my bag, but you can totally find them at Home Depot or on my Amazon storefront. Okay, so here is the O-Cedar mop that you guys saw me purchase with one of the washable heads. And again, these are actually cheaper on Amazon to order the replacements. This is my favorite protein vacuum. It's a 6-quart. You guys absolutely need one. This Husky bag is also purchased at Home Depot. I'm just showing you how much stuff this can carry, how much stuff you can pack. It is the perfect cleaning bag to hold all of your stuff, okay? Now, here is a broken Swiffer stick of mine, but I still wanted to show you guys what it would look like and, you know, how it can get up high for y'all. And the replacements, of course. Next up, we're going to start grabbing some of these items. Sprayway, which I love, scrub and bubbles for the bathroom, the stainless steel cleaner, microfiber rags, of course. Make sure to pack plenty of them, you guys, because you can never have enough at a cleaning. What else do we have? Oh, this is a blue microfiber. So I told you the yellow is a little bit thicker, but either one will do. We always use this with the stainless steel cleaner. Do not clean with paper towel on stainless steel. That was the Febreze. This is Method Granite Cleaner that I actually didn't show you at Home Depot. But again, you can totally use that or buy that either at Home Depot or on my Amazon storefront. Again, we use that Method cleaner with a microfiber rag. Easy off for the oven. Make sure you spray that first when you go into a home because it takes time to work. This is the awesome degreaser, which I love. It's like my favorite product ever. And then here is where we keep our floor cleaner. So it can be Fabuloso or Mr. Clean. Either one works very well. As long as it has an antibacterial, you guys are good. We literally put one capful into an entire mop bucket. So don't overdo it or it'll be really soapy. Now let's look at what's inside of the bag. First, I have this HD paint cup, which I also got at Home Depot. This is one of those scrub brushes that I had showed you guys. We also put more of these brushes inside of this cup, and I will show you how to fit everything. So again, we have a magic eraser for the showers. We have the little scrubber here for dishes or the kitchen or even showers. We have the little heads for the toilet wand. Again, you guys, here's the wand. Do not flush those toilet wands. Please throw them out. And of course, the paint bucket. We use this to also like throw water on the walls. This is part of the protein vacuum that we bought, and we use that on upholstery and couches. And of course, shoe covers, you guys. So these I got on my Amazon storefront. You should be putting on a new set of shoe covers every time you go into a client's home. Please do not be dirty. Of course, these gloves, which again, you can get at Home Depot. You can get on my Amazon storefront. You can purchase these at staplesadvantage.com. Just make sure you have gloves for your cleaners, you guys, or for yourself if you're out in the field. I mentioned the squeegee for the shower. Absolutely love it. This will cut down the time it takes to clean and make sure you have no streaks left behind. Paper towel. You know, we try to bring 1 or 2 per home. Again, we use this on glass and toilet bowls and around the toilet bowls. Our Clorox cleaner, which you don't really need, but it's good to have. Dawn for just about anything. We just use a little bit of that on the scrubber. And we go ahead and get to cleaning. And what else do we have in here? Oh, that looks like it's everything. So I'm just going to give this bag a spin and we're going to start putting everything back. Again, you guys, these Husky bags are literally like the ish, okay? You can wash them, but do not dry them. So again, if you're going to wash these Husky bags, don't throw them in the dryer. Now I'm just showing you how I pack up this little cup to be, or, you know, be efficient and save space. I'm literally shoving everything in this cup and making everything neat. I'm kind of like crazy when it comes to organizing, and it doesn't really matter where everything goes on the outside, but I'm very particular about the inside of our bags. So that's why you see me packing like this. Also, realistically, we will have like a ShopRite bag full of rags, right? Because you can't fit all of your clean rags in this one bag. And this is me just putting away more of these products. And now I'm just going to show you how we hold it and carry it. And that's really it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.